Buddha is having seniority in sincerity. Therefore, her tradition of sincerity is very important, aiming at uprooting all the bads in the Rwandan society. Therefore, this Rwandan society you see here has a long hereditary history. Still, in its continuation, whereby you find the culture of satanic co-workers. Because of the culture of impunity in the community, you find that some people do have experience in causing anguish in the society, terrorizing others, but they do end up punished, and in the end it leads to constant disputes or negative arguments in the society as a whole among the society members. You find that the influence here and there, they become bad society influencers. In the line of temptation is to the weaker ones. Therefore, when we think of the futurity of the younger ones of ours, you can't see the proper sense of direction, and all the directives being given to the younger ones, the youth in general. is useless, doesn't touch them properly. That is why you find that in the society adultery is being mounted